आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, the question is, show that the given differential equation is homogeneous and solve it. Okay, so we are given the differential equation as x times dy by dx minus y plus x times sine of y by x is equals to 0. Okay, so for checking whether it is homogeneous or not, what I'll do is I'll find dy by dx. So I'll write this as x times dy by dx is equals to y minus x times sine y by x. Now divide both these sides by x, so this will become dy by dx is equals to y by x minus sine of y by x. Let's say this as 1. Okay, now for checking homogeneity, let's assume a function f of x comma y which is equals to dy by dx, and this is nothing but y by x minus sine of y by x. Now what we'll do is we'll find f of lambda x comma lambda y. So this will become equal to lambda y by lambda x minus sine of lambda y by lambda x. So this lambda and this lambda and this lambda will cancel each other. So finally we are getting is y by x minus sine of y by x, which is equals to f of x comma y. And since we are getting f of lambda x comma lambda y equals to f of x comma y, hence I can say that this is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, now for solving this homogeneous differential equation, what I'll do is I'll put y is equals to v times x. Now when we'll differentiate this with respect to x, so it will become dy by dx is equals to v plus x times dv by dx. Now what I'll do is I'll just put the value of dy by dx in this first equation, which is this one. So what this will become? V plus x times dv by dx is equals to y by x minus sine of y by x. Now again using this y by x is nothing but equals to v. So I'll put this here. So this will become v plus x times dv by dx is equals to v minus sine v. Now what is happening that this v in the left hand side and right hand side will cancel each other. So we are left with x times dv by dx is equals to minus of sine v. Now what we'll do is we'll simply separate the variables. So I'll get minus of dv by sine v is equals to dx by x. Okay, or I can say minus of 1 upon sine v is cosec v. So minus of cosec v dv is equals to dx by x. Now since we have separated the variables, what we'll do is we'll simply integrate both these sides. So integrating both sides. Yeah, so on integration this will become minus integral of cosec v dv is equals to integral of dx by x. Alright, now we know that this integral of cosec v is equals to log mod of cosec v minus cot v, and this integral of dx by x is nothing but log mod of x plus we'll get some constant, and let's say this constant is log c. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just simply write this as log mod of this cosec v. I can write this as 1 upon sine v minus this cot v as cos v upon sine v is equals to log mod of x plus log c. Okay, now again this will become log mod of taking LCM here, which will be sine v, and in the numerator I'll get 1 minus cos v, and this become equals to log mod of x plus log c. Okay, yeah, now what I can do is just simply um, I'll write this as minus log mod of 1 minus cos v divided by sine v is equals to, now using log a plus log b, which is equals to log a into b, so this will become log mod of xc. Let's say this was log mod of c. Alright, yeah. So now again what I'll do is taking this minus 1 in here, so this will become reciprocal of this, which means this will become log mod of sine v divided by 1 minus cos v, and this will become equals to log mod of xc. Now again putting, we have assumed y is equals to b times x, so b is nothing but y by x. So now put this here in the place of b, so I'll get log mod of sine y by x divided by 1 minus cos y by x, and this become equals to log mod of xc. Now this log I can cancel it from left hand side and right hand side, so this will become sine y by x divided by 1 minus cos y by x is equals to x into c. Alright, or I can simply write this as x multiplied by 1 minus cos of y by x is equals to x multiplied by this become equals to sine of y by x and this c. Okay, so this is finally our answer for this given differential equation. Thanks for watching.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।